Good morning everyone. I welcome you all once again for today's online classes. Today we are going to continue with class 9th Geography Chapter 1 India Size and Location, and today's topic is extent. Here the word extent means the extension of Indian landmass on the physical map of the world. Before I start discussing this topic with you all, let me explain you some basic points. As you all can see, this is a rough map of India which I have drawn on the board so that you all should have a rough idea what I am explaining. This is a map of India with all the basic 4 directions: north, south, west, east. Okay, so let's start this topic. Here it is stated that India is bounded by young fold mountains from 3 sides, that is north, northwest and northeast. When we are talking about north direction, young fold mountains, we have Karakoram range. When we are talking about northwest direction, we have Aravalli ranges, and in northeastern direction we have a range of Himalaya crossing from Nepal, and in the southern direction, due to the conical shape which is located at 22 degrees south latitudinal north direction, it is making its importance as per the strategic wise and giving it a shape of peninsula. When we are talking about the landmass extension of India, we can say that India landmass extension is towards the south, towards the Indian Ocean, which divides it into 2 parts. First one, Arabian Sea in the west, and the second one is Bay of Bengal in the east. Like this, Indian Ocean and the landmass extension towards south has divided the water bodies into 2 parts: Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. And now let's move to the most important point of this topic, that is the latitudinal as well as longitudinal extension of Indian landmass. When we are talking about latitudinal and longitudinal extension of Indian landmass, we can say that it is having its extension at 30 degree, and when we are talking about its longitudinal extension in kilometers, then it is 3214. While we have the latitudinal extension in kilometers, that is 2933 kilometers. 2933 kilometers. With this, we can say that the latitudinal extension as well as longitudinal extension of India is having its great importance on the physical map of the world, with the major 3 water bodies which are located at the southern direction of the India's map, that is in the west Arabian Sea, in the east Bay of Bengal, and in the south we have Indian Ocean, which increases its importance from all the aspects, from all the point of view, including occupation, including transportation and so on. I hope all these points are clear to you all, and this topic, the extension of India landmass, is explained here with its great importance, and it should be clear to you all. If you all have any query, please do ask me everyone. Thank you.